In this video, I'll show you how to reinstall apps on your iPhone. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. If what you need is to reinstall an app because it's not properly working, here's the first thing you need to do. Open the Settings app on your phone, then head to General. Now right here, you will tap on iPhone storage. And then just go ahead and scroll down until you see the app that you wish to reinstall. For example, I'm going to do this with Google Maps. Now here, select Offload app. This will delete the app from your phone, but it will keep all your information and data. After a few seconds, you're going to see the option to reinstall the app, so just go ahead and select it. This might take a few moments, but after it's done, what you can do is just go ahead and open up the app and see if it's back to normal. Now, if what you need is to reinstall an app that you deleted and you need on your phone again, what you're going to do is go to the App Store on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the search icon that you will see at the bottom and search for the app that you want to download again. After you see the app that you wish to reinstall, what you will do is tap on this little download icon. Is going to be this cloud with an arrow pointing down. And now the app is reinstalling on your phone and you should have it in a few seconds in your iPhone. Hope that helps.